welcome back to another episode of Fit Friday. Yay! So in today's Fit Friday, I filmed all the meals that I ate this week. So from Monday until today, today's actually Friday, I've filmed everything I've eaten this week and just how I'm progressing. I eat low carb, so basically I try to eat lots of vegetables combined with proteins and fats and just avoid carbohydrates. It's really worked out for me. I've lost about 6.5 kilograms now. Actually, I need to go on the scale because it could be even more now, but it's going really well so far and I enjoy eating this way. I don't ever feel hungry, like starving, like I'm depriving myself. I've just had to switch out a few things, like things that I used to eat, I just switched out for different things now. My cravings for like sugary, unhealthy things has definitely subsided. I don't get those crazy sugar cravings anymore. I am completely avoiding alcohol, so I haven't had alcohol in a while, but that's also been going fine. I'm just drinking a lot of water. And in the morning I'll have my like coffee or tea beverage. Let's get started with the food diary, and I hope you get some cool new ideas if you are doing low carb as well. Good morning, everyone. So I am just in the process of making my breakfast over here. So meanwhile I'm having my cup of coffee to start the day, and I'm using whole cream. So instead of milk, I started to use cream because it actually has a higher fat content and less carbohydrates than milk. One slice of that low carb bread that I like. So it's basically just like flax seeds and like different kinds of seeds that they push together. It looks like bread. Peanut butter, 100% natural. I actually made this myself just using peanuts. And I have a blender, a really high powerful blender, so I made my own peanut butter. And then on top is low carb jam, which I also make myself. I'm like almost out of it. I have a couple more jars. I think strawberry mixed with raspberry. So it's made with like a sugar replacement instead of sugar. And then I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, which I just put a dollop of mayonnaise on top and some salt. Okay guys, this is gonna be a really weird dinner because I did not have time to go grocery shopping today, and this is kind of what was left in my fridge. It's a bunch of vegetables that I just roasted in the oven. So there are bell peppers, zucchini, celery, and aubergine, which is eggplant, herbs and spices, and some olive oil. Chopped up some cheese. I have a camembert cheese, so I chopped that up. And then I fried up a couple slices of bacon to add that as well. The fat content is a bit higher and it's actually gonna fill me up because just vegetables like is not gonna be enough, and I am going to CrossFit tonight, so I do need something to like, you know, to power me through that. Okay, I just got back from my CrossFit workouts, so I'm having now my post shake, and this is actually a Shape Shake by Food Spring, and this is actually the vanilla flavor, but what I do is I make it chocolate flavor. I always get the vanilla because you can just add anything you want to it, and I just add some cacao powder to it and just a little bit of stevia, just because this is a little bit bitter sometimes. And then I put it in the blender with some almond milk. Yes, you're very interested. With some almond milk and ice cubes, and blend that up, and it gets like really frothy and just super yummy. So this feels like a dessert. It's 100 calories for a big shake like this. All right guys, it is Tuesday. If you're hearing my dog squeaking in the back, he's really impatient to go on a walk, which we're gonna go on now. Today is an intermittent fasting day for me, which means I am not going to be actually working out today. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just have a shake for lunch and then do a proper dinner. So I'm gonna be having this Food Spring Shape Shake in vanilla. And I just did this with almond milk, 1 big tablespoon of that natural peanut butter, which I made myself, and almond milk and ice cubes, blended that up. You know, I'm not working out today, so I'll have like a proper dinner and it should be fine. It's just a way for me to reduce a little bit of calories. 6:30 p.m. I am super hungry now because I basically haven't eaten anything except for a shake today. So I'm having a steak here. And then I have some of the leftover vegetables from yesterday that I had. And then I made some extra green beans because there wasn't actually a whole lot left. And this sauce on top is a little sauté peanut sauce that I just threw on top. So it's just coconut milk, a little bit of peanut butter, the homemade peanut butter, some fish sauce, and just a little bit of red curry, like Thai mixed curry stuff. Okay, so I have a dessert for tonight, and it is going to be a little thing of quark. I actually don't know what that is in English. I think you can buy it now. It's called quark. It's like a type of dairy product. It's a full fat one. It's just pureed strawberries that I just cooked, pureed, and then put a little bit of stevia inside. And you know what? I might just add a touch of cinnamon to this. Good morning. So today, this is gonna be my breakfast, and I am actually not super hungry today. I'm having one slice of that low carb bread, and then I mashed up half an avocado on that. So I've got this left over. And then I've just put some cherry tomatoes on that and salt and pepper. One hard-boiled egg with just a dollop of mayonnaise and some salt. And I've already had my cup of coffee this morning. Now I'm just gonna have a glass of water with this. All right, so it is 5:30 p.m. I have CrossFit tonight at 7, so I like to eat dinner now. I've got some green beans. These are the same ones that I had yesterday. I had them extra, so I put those inside. I just reheated them. I put a little bit of that sauté sauce on as well from yesterday. And then these are just chunks of chicken breast that I've just cooked up here, fried up here, just a little bit of oil. I have some extra here, so I'm gonna fry these up later or just cook those up in the pan. And so I've got leftover, so I don't need to like cook tomorrow and stuff, so that's always good. Basically just the green bean with that homemade sauté sauce down here and some chicken breast on top. Okay, I just got back from CrossFit and I am feeling pretty hungry. So I'm gonna have the rest of that half an avocado. I just put some salt and pepper, and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this lime juice on top. I love avocado with something sour. That's gonna be my little post-workout snack now. This is my breakfast slash lunch. It's actually already 12:30, so it's more like a brunch, lunch, whatever. I have 2 sunny side up eggs, then I have half an avocado diced on top. Over here I have some wilted spinach and cherry tomatoes, and then I have a couple strips of bacon here, and I just put a tiny bit of hard Swiss cheese on top of the egg. So yeah, that's kind of all like melted together. This is gonna be so yummy. Okay, I just got back from a really long walk with my dog. So we went on like a 2.5 hour walk. When I came back, I was just craving something sweet. Basically just almond milk, organic almond milk with frozen strawberries and a little bit of sweetener. And I just blended that up, and that's really all that is. Look at the color. I love the color of this. It's like so pink and girly. So I am having my dinner now, and this is basically the same thing I had yesterday. You guys, just make it simple. If you're making a meal, just make extra, have the leftovers for next day. So this is the chicken again, the green beans, a little bit of the sauté sauce, just put it in the microwave, heat it up. And I got dinner, and I don't have to cook, and it's healthy and yummy. Okay, so today's gonna be my last breakfast for this video, and I'm having some of that low carb muesli. This is just super unimaginative. I was just feeling lazy. So I just had some of the low carb muesli. It's a special kind of muesli that's just, it doesn't contain oats, and it just has different things in it, so it's lower in carbs. And I'm putting some almond milk on that. And then I've got my cup of coffee, which I'm gonna have with some heavy cream in it, like whipped cream basically. This is lower in carb than milk. That is gonna be my very unimaginative breakfast. All right, so that is it. Like I said, tonight I am gonna eat a dinner, so I am not gonna film that obviously because I wanna get this video up for you guys. Can you see Odin's head back there? Odin, he wants to go on a walk. You want to jump up? Jump up? Odin says goodbye too. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell. And I hope this was, you know, helpful for you guys who are following a similar type of eating plan. You're so cute. Thanks so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.